Namaste students, Khusra Betiya. I, JVN Kaushik Chakravarti from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Somenuse, Jaipur, Rajasthan, Faculty of Education Meteorology. Today we are going to discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing, and the topic is objective and difficulties of biomedical signal processing. Before we are going to discuss the topic objective and difficulties of biomedical signal processing, our previous topic was speech signals. Means whatever we are talking is converted into an electrical signals and is processed through our throat and mouth. Here the today's topic is objective and difficulties of biomedical signals. Any signals transduced from a biological or medical source could be called biomedical signal. The signal source could be at the molecular level, cell level, or systematic or organ levels. A wide variety of such signals are commonly encountered in the clinical research laboratories and sometimes at home. Basically, from biological aspects, any signal transduced is called biosignals. It may be cell levels, it may be molecular levels, and maybe organ levels. Organ means suppose it's from chest, it's from mouth, it's from heart, it's from musculars, anything else. And we have to encounter, we have to measure, we have to calculate this type of signal. That's why we need the processing of biomedical signals. First of all, biomedical signals are generated from different types of biological parts of our body. Then we have to measure this type of signal. For this we need biomedical signal processing, and we need different types of instrument to measure these signals. Sometimes even at the homes. Example including electrocardiogram, this is called ECG, or electrical activity from heart, speech signals, electroencephalograms. We already discussed about this topic. Electrical activity from brain, electrical potentials, electrical response from brain specific peripheral situations. Basically our brains responds electrical signals in different form with different situations. Suppose we are sleeping mode, so our brain generate such particular signals, but when we are in jogging mode, when we are in festive mode, our brain generate different types of signals. So our brain generate different types of signals with different types of situations. So signals is proportional, proportionate with the situations when we are undergoes. The field potential for local region in the brain, action potential from signals individual neurons to the heart cells. The electrocardiograms or electrical activities of muscular are also recorded by electroneurograms from our eyes and so on. Clinically, biomedical signals are primarily required for monitoring specific psychological state for purpose of diagnosis and evaluating therapy. Normally, when our body feels some uncomfortable situations, then our body generated different types of signals, and these signals can be recorded through our different types of instruments. These specific psychological states needs to diagnosis in the laboratory. In some cases of basic research, they are also used for decoding and eventually modeling of specific biological signals. These signals can be recorded and for quality and research purpose, and we have to decoded these signals for future processing. Until unless we are not use these signals when we are not decoded till now. Furthermore, current technology allows the requisitions of multiple channels of these signals. This brings up additional signal processing challenges of quantify psychological meaningful interactions among these channels. Goals of the signal processing in all these cases usually are noise removal, quantifications of signals, and component through analysis of this particular signal. Feature extraction and deciding functions are predictions of psychological and functional events of the hearts and brain. Typical biological applications may involve the uses of signal processing algorithm for more than one of these seasons. One more point: different person have different signals for a particular organ. Suppose a 60 years old, the speech signals, yeah, the heart signals is different than a 30 years old person, because the capability and the signal generation power is also be different. So we have to analyze this type of algorithm for the signal processing purpose. The monitoring biological signal is more cases considered an active combinations of signals noise. Noise can be removal for the filtering techniques and electromagnetic interference of these signals. So today we are discuss about the difficulties and objectives of biomedical signals, and we are already discussed the different types of biomedical signals. Is there any doubt? Please mention in the boxes. Thank you.